It's a Habibizone thing, yeah?
What's up, guys? This is Habibizone. We're here with Jesus from Fresh Upgrades.
Hey.
We're just here talking to get to know a little bit more about his brand. We're also going to be looking at some really cool cars and stuff like that too. And then at 10 o'clock, we're going to be making a trip down to Santamonica. So what's up, Jesus?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Good. So just tell us a little bit about your brand.
So Fresh Upgrade is basically like a car enthusiast brand. What it is, we do custom decals, custom side designs. Like as you guys can see on the Corvette, we did side designs and everything. And then I also have my own apparel. So like Fresh Upgrade, there's a windbreaker, but then also the Fresh Upgrade shirts and just merch. More merch is coming this year as well. And I try to stick to the car scene because that's a lot where the family's at. So Fresh Upgrade is always a brand I wanted to start, but then it started becoming big until I got into the car scene. So I went into the car scene and I started making stickers, and I would hand out a lot of the Fresh Upgrade stickers, and then it just started blowing up. Everybody started hearing like, what's Fresh Upgrade? What is happening? Like what is this brand that's just coming out of nowhere? What is it? So it was basically like a hype that was going around town, and people would just come in and be like, oh, what do you do? And I'm like, custom decals, custom stickers. People will come in, and it just formed to where it's at right now. So what I always want to do is I always want to get back to the community where I started off, which is Antelope Valley. And this is basically where the best car crew is, the best car groups are, because they've been like very good to me, and they've been a family to me. So I always want to get back here. So I want to host my first show this year, hopefully. But finding a venue is kind of expensive. So that's going to be a big goal I'm going to try to hit this year. That's my year goal for this year. And then going big, going online, opening up multiple Fresh Upgrades all over the United States. That's my goal.
All right, for sure, man. Well, we're going to go and look at some of these cars, and then hopefully we're going to get some really cool shots of us rolling down there as well.
My name is Daniel. I own the 69 Beetle. It's a Fresh Upgrade first show team member, and yeah, just ready for the cruise, man.
It's fun. I love it.
It's a pretty cool looking car.
Cars here, man. I'm telling you.
Alright then, guys, so this is the first cruise that I'm going to be hosting this year, well in general at all. Like, this is the first cruise, so we're going to go through Bouquet Canyon. The reason why we're going through Bouquet Canyon is because Los Angeles Crest is having some construction. Let's try to have a safe cruise. Let's try to do this again. I love bringing the community involved with everything, so let's just be safe. Let's not try to do like races or burnouts or anything like that. So we're going to go through Bouquet Canyon. When we get up to 60th, we're going to slow down a bit, make sure everybody's caught up, because a couple of people are going to hit red lights when we're on our way over there. So on 60th, we're all going to slow down, make sure everybody's caught up, And then from there, we're gonna hit Bouquet Canyon all the way to Santa Monica. So if you guys are, as soon as we get to Santa Monica, that's when everybody could branch out their own way, come back, go do their own things. But I'm gonna be at the beach at Santa Monica. I'm gonna set up the canopy if you guys all wanna go there. I'm gonna have waters, Capri Suns. If you guys brought stuff, feel free to bring it on through. Yeah. So as soon as we get to Santa Monica, everybody find their own parking, everybody head their own way. If you guys wanna do photo shoots out there, we have Enigma Photography here. We have Yoshi Media, he's gonna be doing the video for today. We have a couple of YouTubers, Habibis, we have Gonzalo, Texel. I'm gonna be doing some videos too. Anybody in, we also got this photographer right here, Lazy Films, if you guys need some photography made for your whips. So yeah, let's all head out. If anybody gets lost, don't worry, we're all gonna be in Bouquet Canyon. That's the way we're going. So let's head out.
Play a volleyball game and we won. Now the other team has to get in the water to the top of their head. Here it is. Hey Fresh, how do you feel?
Yeah, man, good.
Is it cold?
Good, let's get it.
That was fun. Alright, thanks guys, thanks for watching. We ended up here in Santa Monica. It was honestly kind of crowded, but we had a ton of fun. Yeah. And we ended up playing a volleyball game too. And do you remember who won that one?
You guys did.
Was it Habibis won?
No,
Fresh Upgrade
won. Beat Fresh Upgrade.
Fresh Upgrade for the win.
Fresh Upgrade took the L.
For the win.
So thanks for tuning in. Hopefully we'll have more videos like this in the future.
Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below for future videos.
Sounds good.